We will talk about geometric similarity, kinematic similarity, and dynamic similarity. So, get ready and let's go! So, what is geometric similarity? So, geometric similarity means that two objects have the same shape but different sizes. All dimensions are proportional, meaning every length in the model has a constant ratio with the real object. So this is the formula. Scale ratio is equal to Lm over Lp, where Lm is equal to length of the model and Lp is the length of the prototype, so the real object. For geometric similarity to be satisfied, length ratio is equal to width ratio and is equal to height ratio. For example, if a model is built at a scale of 1:10, every dimension is reduced by 10 times. Like model of a building, engineers create a scale model of a building. Example, if the building is 50 meters tall, the model is 1 meter tall. The second one is the kinematic similarity, which is the motion. So kinematic similarity focuses on motion. It means that the movement of particles in both the model and the real system is similar in terms of velocity and flow pattern. The ratio of velocities must be constant. So this is the formula Vm over Vp. So Vm is the velocity of the model and Vp is the velocity in the prototype. Another important idea is time scale. Then the example for kinematic similarity is water flowing around a ship model should follow the same pattern as in real life. Flow line direction and velocity pattern should match. So this ensures the motion of water behaves the same. Lastly, dynamic similarity. So it focuses on forces. Dynamic similarity focuses on forces. It means that the forces acting in the model and the real object are proportion. To achieve this, engineers use dimensionless numbers. So one of the most common is the Reynolds number. So this is the formula for Reynolds number. So RA is equal to density times velocity times length over viscosity. For dynamic similarity, Reynolds number of model is equal to Reynolds number of prototype. This ensures that forces like friction and inertia behave the same. For example, in a wind tunnel, an airplane model must experience a similar lift and drag forces as the real airplane. Engineers adjust airspeed so that forces like lift and drag match real conditions. So this ensures the forces acting are similar. Here comes the problem for geometric similarity. A model of a bridge is built at a scale of 1:20. If the real bridge length is 100 meters, what is the length of the model? Ang gipangita kay ang length of the model, so ang Lm. Gihatag ra kay ang length of the bridge, so ang Lp 100 meter. So ang atong gamiton ay katong scale ratio, so equals Lm over Lp. So ang Lm magipangita, wa siya yung butang, so ang Lp 100 equals scale ratio is 1:20. So cross multiply natay Lm equals 100 over 20. Then ang answer niya kay 5 meters. Final answer. This is the problem for kinematic similarity. A model ship moves at 2 meters per second. If the velocity scale is 1:4, what is the velocity of the real ship? ipangita niya kay ang velocity of the rail shape. So, VP. Dayon, ang gihatag ra nga kuan kay ang model shape moves at 2 meter per second. So, ang iyang VM 2 meter per second. Yan sa nagamitan ng formula. So, ang VM over VP. Ang VM is 2 then over VP. 1/4. So, ang ratio niya is 1:4. So, 1:4. Cross multiply. Final answer is 8 unit meter per second. The last problem is for dynamic similarity. So water flows in a model with density of 100 kg per cubic meter, a velocity of 2 meter per second, and length of 0.5 meter, and lastly, the viscosity of 0.001. Find the Reynolds number. Find the Reynolds number. So, ang formula ito gamiton kay RE is equal to density times velocity times length over viscosity. So, unsa man nato ang density? 1,000 kilogram. Then ang atong velocity is 2 ms meter per second, and ang length is 0.5 meter. Ang viscosity niya is 0.001. So, palihog ko calcu. So, itong diretso. So, about 1,000 times 2 times 0.5 is 1,000 over 0.001. The answer is calcu 1 million. Unitless na siya. So, this is a final answer. Summary. So, the geometric similarity is the same shape and proportions. Kinematic similarity, same motion and flow behavior. Lastly, the dynamic similarity is the same force relationships. All three must be satisfied for accurate modeling and testing. Kay kung dili, di magkadimao in real life. Bati siya. Don't forget the importance of this lesson. These similarities are very important in engineering because they allow us to test small models and predict real-life performance. They are widely used in designing airplanes, ships, bridges, and many other systems. And that's all. Thank you.